While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there.
SORN, Crazy Stupid Lovers featuring Hong Seok. Shout out to SORN. Shout out to Hong Seok. Shout out to this collab. It's 4 minutes. 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Oh, there's a story involved? Is that what's happening? Aww. Crazy Stupid Lovers. Okay, SORN. Oh. Oh, US visa. Oh, he's going to the US? Oh, is she mad? Is she low-key mad that he's trying to go to the US or something like that? Your application for the US visa has... Oh, they don't even say... Oh, it's approval. Oh. I'm gonna try to figure out the story before it's done. Oh. Is it the past? Recording memories or recording memories now? I'm not sure. Oh. Wait, he didn't want it? He's like, nah. Haji Mars. Sorry. She trying to make memories. Ugh. What's that? Just cold brew? Hey yo, was that a setup? Ooh. Damn, that's a big ass carrot. What the fuck? Sorry. Actually, his voice is so nice, by the way. It is a cute song. Okay, we cooking. Are they making kimbap? Damn, her aim is off. Yes. Oh, he's trying to catch it. Ah, this is cute. Did he catch it? Ah, I wonder if he would. The way it's shot's very wholesome as well. First of all, like, they're trying to feed each other the food that they're making, and they're like, no, I don't want it. Unless they don't think it's awkward, like, to like feed each other, but like, you're gonna eat it in the I don't know, rejecting food that you're about to eat. I don't know. Not me searching. Leave our hearts intact, 'cause I can't let us go. Oh, you don't want the carrot? Oh, he's recording now. I just wanna know if I could be the lover. Oh, interesting transition. Let me see. Oh, what is that? Is that a concert? Ooh, his voice does match good with, like, well with her. Oh, a Lego of the Statue of Liberty. Oh, what is that? Oh. Ooh. SORN has a nice, like, what is it called? Low register, no? In a way, like, I like that. Boy, I won't let you go, 'cause baby, we're just two bit lovers. 'Cause I wanna let you know that I could be the love of your life. I'll hold you tight and make you feel alright. You know that we're just two bit lovers. They call us crazy, stupid love. Wanna tell the world that you are mine and you make it. Aww. Ooh.
I'm just listening to the vocals.
Let's just be crazy, stupid lovers.
Wait, so what are we? So what are we? Long distance? Is that what we are? It is. Oh, is that like... Wait, what is that? Like Nintendo DS? Oh, oh, those are just memories. Oh, all the recordings of their past was in there for memories. Wait, is she applying? He's like, why you drink it? He looks so annoyed. Oh, we should make kimbap. I want to make kimbap on stream, bro. Maybe Shannon could teach us again. Shannon just want to taught me how to make kimbap. Me and Hedgen. Oh, does she not like carrot? I guess not. Oh, he's texting somebody. Aw. Oh, damn. That was wholesome. X-cube baits? Yeah. I didn't want to say anything, but yeah. Well, we all want a fairy tale ending, okay? Yeah, I agree. I think they keep in touch. And they fall in love forever. It's bittersweet and realistic. Yeah, because at the end, they like, hold up. Ain't that the Skype tone? Maybe to be continued, maybe I don't know. Put a comments down below what you guys think of SORN's Crazy Stupid Lovers featuring Hong Seok. I thought his part was really good too. His tone matches her tone. Like I said, SORN has a good low register at the same time too. I don't know if I've ever said that. Her other song Cool was in 2000, so they might still be connected. Maybe. Okay. They definitely probably will be connected. Well, hopefully SORN could tell me or any of us what the meaning of this is sometime. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Patreon, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
While Dre's having a moment, be sure to check out my Patreon. We watch shows. Currently, we're watching Going 17. So be sure to subscribe, become a member. Hope to see you there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.